What's up, guys? Right now we're gonna be doing some fireworks. Happy 4th of July. So in a couple of minutes we're gonna be lighting them off. I'm just gonna skip to the video. I'll see you then. Okay, so guys, I do have this awesome thing that we can do. We're gonna go up on here and we're gonna. Can you just stop for a second? Okay. Ow! So we got a perfect view up here, and I just wanted to... No.
Okay, I don't mind.
Okay, so we're gonna be seeing them fireworks. There's a car in the way. Oh, come on! And this just goes to tell that anytime that you go to the 4th of July, it's all madness. I'll see you at the fireworks. Okay, here we go, guys. Woo! Oh, I kind of missed that one. Yeah, whoa, that was awesome. Oh, yeah, woo! That's amazing. Is there any more? Yeah! It's like when I'm seeing a new dildo. Woo! This is awesome. Then over? Okay. Here we go.
Go.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That one was awesome.
That was like
You tell me if that was awesome.
You like what you see?
Stop being perverts! Woo! They're being perverts again. Okay, I'm just gonna hold down the button. Oh, that one was awesome. I'm just gonna hold this button down so I can record longer.
I know. Where? I thought it was a bird. No, that was bad. Okay, Michael. Do you like how like one of them?
You can hear a dog in the distance. Don't mind that.
It's like a spiral.
Well. Whoa! Nuts!
Next. Oh my gosh, you just saw fireworks!
Yeah!
Guys, I just saw fireworks all the way down.
I love the finales! You're a chump if you don't like this. That was amazing. Blue! Blue everywhere.
Dude, I just saw a firework go off all the way down there.
Does anybody care? Michael. No more twerking! I'm just gonna cut it right here. I'm not sure if you can see, but I can see fireworks way off in the distance. But I can't see them. There's a person right there. It's really bad camera quality, so mind that. Who did? They missed it. Yeah! I literally just missed the thing. I had to cut because Kyler was twerking, so.
No, Tyler, stop twerking, please.
Stop your twerking! No! You stupid person! No, I'm done. Ow! I was eating kettle corn! I think I chipped my tooth! Okay, guys, I'm going down the birthing hole. Somebody can eat those!
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Okay, so I can see stuff, not very much, but you guys can't see crap, except for that. Okay, so they're lighting off all the finales at once. I'll see you there. So I just figured out that they're waiting until it gets dark or something. Probably not. Maybe. I'll see you there again. Here we go! I'm taking a big stand back! Let's do this!